सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, we welcome you all to today's Pratama Vinyasa Krama Yoga session. Now we'll be chanting the Shiva Moola mantras 11 times. Om Ham Hom Shivaya Namaha. 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 Now we'll be entering into the Achamaniyam. Take one Uddarini spoon of water from the Panchapatra and pour it on your right palm. Then with the chanting of the mantra, drink the water that on the base, the thumb totally 3 times. Om Atma Tattvam Shodhayami Svada. Om Vidya Tattvam Shodhayami Svada. Om Shiva Tattvam Shodhayami Svada. With the chanting of the Hridaya mantra, Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha. With the base of the thumb, wipe the upper and lower lips, wash your hand. Touch the lower and upper lips with the index and middle finger together. Touch the nostril right and then left with the tip of the thumb and then index finger together. Touch your eyes right and then left with the tip of the thumb and ring finger joined together. Touch your ears right and then left with the tip of the thumb and then ring finger joined together. Touch your navel with the little finger and then thumb joined together. Then right chest and left chest. Wash your hands. With all the fingers, touch your crown of the head, both the shoulders right and then left. Now we'll be moving to Sankalpa. Om Mamopata Samasta Duridakshaya Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Prityartam Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Prityartam Cha Shubhe Shobhane Muhurte Adhya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Pararte Shri Shvetavaraha Kalpe Vaivasvata Manvantare Ashtavimshatitame Nityayuge Pratame Pade Jambudvipe Bharatavarshe Bharadakante Meroho Dakshine Parshve Shagapte Asmin Vartamane Vyavaharike Prabhavadinam Sashtyaha Samvatsaranam Madhye Vikarinam Samvatsare Uttarayane Lakshmi Venkateshwara Rato Mithuna Mase Krishna Pakshe Dvitiyayam Shubhatito Budhavasara Yuktayam Shubhana नक्षत्र शुभयोग शुभकरण एवं गुणविशेषण विशिष्टायाम् अस्यां शुभतिथौ श्री कैलासोन्नत द्वादशांत श्यामला पीठारूढ़ श्री मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वरा भिन्न स्वरूप परशिवपुत्र रत्नकुमार गुरुमन्यतुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तन्यपानलप्त दिव्य ज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागमसारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवर्तृ श्रीमत् परम शिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान गीयमान छत्र चामर श्रीचिन्ह काहलादि समस्त बिरदावल्यलंकृत ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संग सत्यो निर्वाण दीक्षा व्याभवर्गवश्च विश्रान जीमूत परममत कलभ केसरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्य श्री राजाधिराज पांड्य महाराज गुरु शपन शाक्यादि महांतकार निवारण ज्ञान भानु वीक्षणानर्हार्ह ध्वजोचेतन पूर्वक श्रीमत् वृषभध्वज स्थापक शैव समय कर्तृ सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्य वाचक स्वामिनाम अवतार भूत श्री ज्ञान संबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामला पीठ महासंस्थान ज्ञान साम्राज्य शासक सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ तृणवत्युत्तर द्विशततम गुरु महासन्निधान कैलास परंपरागत सूर्यवंश सर्वज्ञ पीठ सुरांगी साम्राज्य शासक महानिर्वाणी पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामंडलेश्वर अटल पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्ण पीठस्य त्रयोविंश गुरु महासन्निधान श्रीमत् परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यवर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्य मंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रजित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्तृ कैलास पुनरुद्धारक जगद्गुरु शील श्री भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां प्रीत्यर्थम् तेषां पादारविन्दयोः भक्तिसिद्ध्यर्थं गुरुकृपाकटाक्षसिद्ध्यर्थं क्षेमस्थैर्यवीर्यविजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्याणाम् अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं धर्मार्थकाममोक्षचतुर्विधफलपुरुषार्थसिद्ध्यर्थं मम समस्तदुरितोपशान्त्यर्थं समस्तमङ्गलावाप्यर्थं भगवत् श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवस्वामी कृपाकटाक्षेन पूर्ण आरोग्ययुक्त दृढगात्र यौगिक शरीर सिद्ध्यर्थं परमशिवशक्ति आविष्करणार्थं सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञानवैराग्य जीवन्मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थं श्री नित्यानंद योगाभ्यासं करिष्ये। ओम अपोपस्पृश्य अथ प्रथम योग विन्यास क्रमः। Now we'll be entering into the asanas. The first is Sukhasana. Sit comfortable in a cross-legged position, head, neck, spine in a straight line, and hand resting on knees and index finger and thumbs joined together. And Bandha, Mahamudra Bandha. Visualize Paramashiva in your third eye, and Mudra is Bindu Mudra, and Japa Soham. Sukhasana. Tat Sukhasanamityuktam Ashattastat Samacharet Asanam Vijitam Yena Jitam Tena Jagatrayam. The next is Parvatasana. In Padmasana or cross-legged position, inhale your arms up and straight above the head. bringing the palms together, and Bandha, Mahamudra Bandha, and visualize Mount Kailash in your third eye, and Mudra is Anjali Mudra, Parvatasana. Atha vakshe Mahadeva Parvatasana Mangalam Yat Kritva Sthira Rupi Syat Satchakradi Vilopanam. The next is Halipavasana. Legs extend in front, soles together. Exhale, forehead to the heels, and interlace the finger behind your back and gaze at your nose. And Bandha, Mahamudra Bandha. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye, and Parashu Mudra, Halipavasana. Puradaviti yaho me jano, ubhe pagatali samputatano, pishchupachye doho karlyavo, tachana karuso vamhagavo, pishchuhatyelam ki hai johi, amsa sahita bhumi tare soyi, punilalati bhuparitane, yedyam lahutamahi anem. The next is Nagi Pavasana. Inhale, raising up. Exhale, forward. Bring soles together by body. Elbows on legs. Cup palms on floor. And gaze at your nose. And Shambhavi Mudra. And Bandha is Mahamudra Bandha. Visualize snakes in your third eye. And Japa Soham, Nagi Pavasana. पूरव विधि परि आगाने ने चोहोई कहोनी बहास्यो लगाई हाथ आघाने धरती लगावे पसारे तो हाथ की अंजूल करे भूयडि परि लागावे दृष्टि न साग्र आसन को गुण शरीर बिता जाई. The next is Kokilasana. Hold big toes with your index and middle finger. Inhale up, straighten legs. Exhale to Padmasana. Elbows down and eyes forward and down. And Bandha is Mahamudra Bandha. And visualize a bird in your third eye. And Japa Soham, Kokilasana. अतान्यदासनं वक्ष्ये येन सिद्धो भवेन्नरः अकस्मात् वायुसञ्चारं कोकिलाख्यासनेन च ऊर्ध्वे हस्तद्वयं कृत्वा तदग्रे पादयोः सुधीः वृत्ताङ्गुष्ठद्वयं नाथ शनैः शनैः प्रकारयेत्. The next is Nityasana. Inhale, rise up, stack ankles and knees, hold elbows, circle both directions, purifying the nadis, churning the prana vayu while gazing at your nose. And mudra is Shambhavi Mudra. And Bandha, Mahamudra Bandha. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Japa Soham, Nityasana. गोवा भावा पातक आहमाकली सोई तच चरण को वारलो तापरि गुल्प समोई वाम पाद को माहिलो बहुरो गुल्प चुजानो तापरि कोडा तचगी आकरली चानो. The next is Gajasana. Inhale onto hands and feet, hips up, scoop nose to the ground repeatedly. And Mudra, Shambhavi Mudra, Bandha, Udhyana Bandha. Visualize elephant in your third eye and Japa Soham, Gajasana. Nyubjam padhakre bhomo kritva lambhi bhoyamastagre nidaya nidhamba murtva murtvamaya nabilaksham bhomo nasikamaniya hastatala pariyantam nayet ittam punaf punaf kuryat gajasanam bhavati. The next is Rikshasana. Stop motion, alternating pressing the heels to the ground. And Shambhavi Mudra, Bandha, Udhyana Bandha. Visualize a bead in your third eye. and japa soham. Rikshasanam. Ekaikam padamakunjya gajasanam kuryat rikshasanam bhavati. The next is Vaishyasana. Step forward, inhale rising up, heels up, balance on big toes, index, middle and ring finger of the hand touching the heart center, and Hridaya Mudra. And Bandha is Udyana Bandha. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Japa Soham Vaishyasana. केशेन पादयुगलं बद्ध्वा तिष्ठेत धूमुखः अथ वैश्यावक्षे यत्कृत्वा सत्यवान् भवेत्. The next will be moving to Urdhva Janukarana. Half squatting position, heels together, toes outward, knees wide and back of the hand resting on waist. Bring both palms to the chest level. Lift the right knee towards the chest in a circular. Simultaneously, respective hand follow the foot movement. And return to Aramandi and repeat on the other side. The next is Balalingasana. Ground the left foot, interlace your fingers from the outside in place, hands on your right knee and pull towards the chest. Now we'll be having the Sarva Vishankari Mudra, and Bandha is Mahamudra Bandha. Visualize holding a child in your third eye. Balalingasana. Ekam jana urasi malingya statavyam balalinganam bhavati. The next is Padapetanasana. Bring the heel to the buttocks, interlace finger and hold the foot behind butt, keeping the knees together. And Mudra, Parashu Mudra. Bandha, Mahamudra Bandha. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Padapetanasana. स्थित्वैकस्मिन् पादतले कराभ्यां वेष्टयेतनुं पृष्ठे संस्थाप्य यत्नेन पादपीठनमासनम्. The next is Natarajasana. Right hand catch inside of foot. Inhale and lift right leg. Left arm extend out and up with index finger and thumb together. Bindu Mudra and Moola Bandha. Visualize Lord Nataraja in your third eye. Natarajasana. Uttana padam kraumcham cha maricham veerabhadrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashta prasarane. Now we'll be repeating the Balalingasana on the other side. Ekam jana urasi malingya statavyam balalinganam bhavati. The next is Padapetanasana. Sthitvaikasmin padatale karabhyam veshtayetanum prishte samstapya yatnena padapitanamasanam. The next is Natarajasana. Uttana padam kraumcham cha maricham veerabhadrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashta prasarane. Now we'll be moving to Atarichita Karana. Cross ankles in Aramandi, foot behind and heels raised. The left hand on the chest and right hand making a pendulum movement. The finger moving inwards towards the palm and then outwards. Then the right palm is placed on the nose. And cross ankles, heels together, right hand circular motion, fingertip point to the floor. The next is skeleton dance. Visualize yourself as a pure bone and start shaking your body intensely. start shaking your body intensely.
Soham. 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 Soham.
Visualize yourself as a pure bone and shake your body intensely.
शिवाय तत्पुरुष वक्राय महेश्वराय अघोर हृदयाय रुद्रेश्वराय कामेश्वराय स्थितिकारणाय सत्य स्वरूपाय सृजनेश्वराय स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः स्वागतं ते स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः स्वागतं ते ब्रह्मस्वरूपं शिवशक्तियैक्यं दमरुककरतिरुशूलम् आघ्राणहस्तम् काषायवस्त्रं राजसन्न्यासं वन्देऽहं परमहंस नित्यानन्द सद्गुरुम् श्री जगद्गुरु स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः सुस्वागतं ते स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः सुस्वागतं ते
Slow down your motion and start walking in front and back of your mat.
Soham. Soham.
The next will be moving to Katachina Karanam. Stand in Aramandi, wrist crossed above head, fingers stretched out. Turn to right while opening the arms and cross the wrist overhead. Continue the motion and repeating on the other side.
Soham. Soham. Soham.
Next, we'll be moving to Tadasana. Stand tall, inhale arms up and palms facing one another.
Soham.
Visualize a palm tree in your third eye and engage in Udhyana Bandha and Mudra, Shambhavi Mudra. Tadasana. Mahamudra Bhatta Kono Tadasana Vibhedakan Vinotanam Sata Kuryat Antarvatni Pati Priya. The next is Uttanasana. Exhale arms down, hands by feet and head to knee. Engage yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Uttanasanam. Mahamudra Bhatta Kono Tadasana Vibhedakan Vinotanam Sata Kuryat Antarvatni Pati Priya. The next will be moving to Tarakshvasana. Step or jump feet back in a plank position. Tuck chin in Jalantra Bandha. Rotate your head from side to side. Engage yourself in Jalandhara Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Tarakshvasanam. Gajasana vastitva mastakam varam varam dakshina kukshim savya kukshim nayet tarakshvasanam bhavati. The next is Bhujangasana. Exhale and lower body to ground. Palms on floor. Below shoulder. Flatten feet. Raise chest and head up using strength of the lower back. And open your mouth wide and inhale through back of your throat. And engage yourself in Mula Bandha and Bhujangasana. Visualize a cobra in your third eye. Bhujangasana. अङ्गुष्टनाभिपर्यन्तम् अतो भूमौ विनिन्यसेत् कराभ्यां चतरां धृत्वा ऊर्ध्वशीर्षः पनीवहि देहाग्निर्वर्तते नित्यं सर्वरोगविनाशनं जागर्ति भुजगी देवी भुजङ्गासनसाधनात्. The next is Shashasanam. Tuck toes, bring hips up, alternate knees to the chest continuously. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Shashasanam. Gajasana samstito janutvayamakunchya varam varam kartavyam Shashasanam bhavati. The next is Rathāsanam. Step one foot between hands, alternating jump over your feet between hands. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize chariot in your third eye. Rathāsanam. Gajasana samstito ekaikam padam puro margena brahmahitva kartavyam Rathāsanam bhavati. The next is Virabhadrasana. Here the weights are optional. Stop movement, both hip forward, front knees bend at 90 degree, back leg straight and bend at 45 degree. Spine straight. Inhale, arms overhead, gaze at your third eye and engage yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize God Virabhadra in your third eye. Japa Shivoham Virabhadrasanam. Vasishtamatakauntinyam urdhvakukkutameva cha ashtavakramatotāna mayūram setu bandhanam uttanapadam kraumcham cha maricham veerabhadrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashtaprasarane. We'll be repeating the Virabhadrasana on the other side. Vasishtamatakauntinyam urdhvakukkutameva cha ashtavakramatotāna mayūram setu bandhanam uttanapadam kraumcham cha maricham veerabhadrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashtaprasarane. The next is Vrikshasana. Here the weights are optional. Ground one foot. Place the opposite side. Place the opposite sole on the inner thigh. Bring palms together and inhale as you raise them above the head. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Anjali Mudra. Visualize a tree in your third eye. Vrikshasanam. Vamooramolale deshe yam yam padam nidhayatu tishthetu vrikshavat bhumo vrikshasanamidham viduhu. The next is Garudasana. Here the weights are optional. Exhale, arms down. Press foot on outer hip. Keep opposite leg straight like a rod. Palms together in front of your heart. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Namaskara Mudra. Visualize Lord Garuda in your third eye. Japa Shivoham Garudasanam. Garudasanamavakshe yena dhyanam stiram bhavet sarvadosadhivinirmukto bhavatiya mahabali ekapadam muro bhatva ekapadena dhandavat jangapada sandhideshe jnanavyakram vyavastitam etamasanamakrithya prishtasamhara mudraya aratya yogadanam cha sada sarveshvarasya. The next we'll be repeating the Vrikshasana on the other side. Vamooramolale deshe yam yam padam nidhayatu tishthetu vrikshavat bhumo vrikshasanamidham viduhu. The next is Garudasana. गरुडासनमावक्ष्ये येन ध्यानं स्थिरं भवेत् सर्वदोषाधिविनिर्मुक्तो भवतीयमहाबली एकपादं मुरो भत्वा एकपादेन दण्डवत् जङ्घापादसन्धिदेशे ज्ञानव्यग्रं व्यवस्थितम् एतमासनमाकृत्य पृष्ठसंहारमुद्रया आराध्य योगदानं च सदा सर्वेश्वरस्य च. The next is Trikonasana. Here the weights are optional. Step legs apart. Inhale, arms parallel to the floor. Exhale, front hand to the floor, other to sky. Open up, raised shoulder and gaze through raised hand. Engage yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a triangle in your third eye. Japa Shivoham. Trikonasana. Uttanapadam Kraumcham cha Maricham Veerabhadrakam Natarajam Trikonam cha Suptangashta Prasarane. We'll be repeating on the other side. Trikonasana. Uttanapadam Kraumcham cha Maricham Veerabhadrakam Natarajam Trikonam cha Suptangashta Prasarane. Now we'll be moving to the last Karana as Nikuta Karana. Standing in Aramandi, hands horizontal, palms facing each other. Alternatively, thrash the heel to the floor. Simultaneously, switch palm position. Now, we'll be moving to Angushtasana. Exhale, arms down, step back on mat, feet together, lower on toes, sit on heels, palms together in front of the heart. Engage yourself in Mula Bandha and Namaskara Mudra. Visualize yourself Swamiji in your third. Visualize Swamiji in third eye. Angushtasana. Kabandhasanamittyaguhu Gorakshasanamev cha Angushtamushtikam neyam Brahma prasayidham tata. The next is Saurasana. Fingertips to the floor and palms open facing forward. Stretch right leg with toes pointed upwards. Engage in Mula Bandha and have your hands in Vara Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Saurasanam. Prasarekam padatalam samstapya yatveka padakam. The next is Vidrunasana. Inhale, right arms up. Exhale, hold toes. Left hand to heel. Engage yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and have your hands in Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Japa Sadashivoham. Vidunasana. Gulpostito padamekam prasarya tatpadakram sansprishe tatkarena gulpam janyamam dharaye tatkarena dhunam pitam chabhyase chobayatra. Now we'll be repeating the Saurasana on the other side. Prasarekam padatalam samstapya yatveka padakam. Next is Vidunasana on the other side. Gulpostito padamekam prasarya tatpadakram sansprishe tatkarena gulpam chanyamam dharaye tatkarena dhunam pitam chabhyase chobayatra. The next we'll be moving to Brahmajurangasana. Bring feet together on toes, knees together, sit on heels, palms facing upward on the knees. Engage yourself in Jalantara Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Brahmajurangasana. दोवो पनापानी होई वैसे येडीडो गुडानी वैसे कोरा पगतल्या की माहिली आपास माहिरा केहिली दोवो गोड़ा आगे आने सुधो करी ऊंचाले ताने हाथ दो ऊपर धरे हथेली सुधी करे. The next will be moving to Kapilasana. Place knees on ground and spread wide apart. Hands on respective knees and gaze at your nose. Engage yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Sage Kapila in your third eye and Japa Sadashivoham Kapilasanam. उभे पगतली समठेरावे तिनको माहिली को रमिलावे पना पानी उकट होई वैसे येडीडो जोनी नी वैसे गोडाडो भूमि लगावे समशरीर नीक दहरावे हस्त दो गोड़ा परिरासे नासा दृष्टि अचल कर दासे. The next will be moving to Bhadra Gorakasana in the same posture as Kapilasana, but switch gaze to third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Bhadra Gorakasana. धोवो पगतल्ली संपुट करे कोरा वारिली भूपरि धरे कोरा वारिली राके ऐसे तापरि मूल द्वार के वैसे घोड़ा पीढ़ी भूपरि धाके हाथ दो घोड़ा परि राके दृष्टि त्रिकुटी मध्य जुदाने ताको घोरा भद्र बकाने. Now we'll be moving to Suryasana. On toes, sit on heels, knees up and wide. Bring thumbs together and spread finger wide, forming a lotus. Inhale, arms up and gaze through palm. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Mudra, Padma Mudra. Visualize God Surya in your third eye and Japa Sadashivoham Suryasana. येडीडो गुडातरि आने पना पानी भैतक पुनिताने गोड़ा जंग अतर कर राहे आढ़े भामे ऐसे विधि गाहे दोवो भुजा नाबद सपसारे कमल स्वरूप अंगुरी दारे पहुच मदि चित्र पुनिताने चित्र विसे पुनि दृष्टि चु आने. Now we'll be moving to Mandukasana. Lower arms and knees, relax toes, sit between heels, palms on knees, pressing tongue against hollow in the mouth. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Manduki Mudra. Visualize a frog in your third eye. Mandukasana. पादतलो पृष्ठदेशे अंगुष्टे देह संस्पृशेत् जानुयुग्मं पुरस्कृत्य साधयेत् मंडुकासनम. Now we'll be moving to Uttana Mandukasana. Inhale, arms up and hands to opposite shoulder, pressing tongue against hollow in the mouth. And engage yourself in Uddiyana Bandha and Manduki Mudra. Visualize a frog in your third eye. Uttana Mandukasana. Mandukasana madhyastam kurparabhyam dhritam shirah etat bhekavaduttana medaduttana mandukam. Now we'll be moving to Simhasana. Exhale, arms down, cross right ankle over left, place right heel underneath perineum, hands on knees. Exhale, sticking the tongue out and while gazing at your nose. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize lion in your third eye. Simhasana. दक्षिणं सव्यगुल्पेन दक्षिणेन तथेतरं हस्तोर्च जानु संस्थाप्य स्वाङ्गुलीश्च प्रसार्य च व्यक्ता वक्त्रो निरीक्षेत नासाग्रं सुसमाहितः सिंहासनं भवेतेतत् पूजितं योगिभिः सदा. Now the next is Bhadrasana. Uncross ankles, soles together, Sit on heels, knees wide, cross hand behind back. Hold opposite toes and gaze at your nose. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Bhadrasanam. Gulpoto vrishanyadaha Sivanyo parshvayosipet Pada parshvetu panibhyam Dhritam batva sunischalam Bhadrasanam bhavete tat sarvavyati pishapaham. The next is Kakapusandi Asana. Squat on flat feet, knees wide. Reach around your knees to lock fingers behind. Gaze at your nose. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize a crow in your third eye. Kakapusandi Asana. प्रथमे भैसक उकटे ताने दावो हाथ पगा व्याचे आने तिनको मोड़ी नल्या परिलावे विष्टु बच्चे काकसी करवे. The next will be moving to Kanipavasana. Palms on floor, shoulder width, hips up and bring knees above elbows, point toes, slightly lift head. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Japa Sadashivoham Kanipavasana. Asana Kauguna Asi Dushati Hoi Tu Achi Hoi. Next is Kapilasana. Head to ground, knees on elbows, stretch legs up and gaze at your nose. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Kapilasana. Sisa sisa dharti teki pagato milave uche kukare pagatalya akasate sasana musurase dovu hata ki hateli dovu pasadhya dharti teku drishtina sa agra. The next will be moving to Parshva Mayurasana. Palms on ground, shoulder width, knees onto one side of body, press elbows to knees and hip. Lean forward, toes up, stretch legs to side and gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a peacock in your third eye. Parshva Mayurasana. Mayuram dandavat kuryan Mayuram dandanamakam Kuryan Mayuram parshvabhyam Mayura parshvanamakam. We'll be repeating the Parshva Mayurasana on the other side. Mayuram dandavat kuryan Mayuram dandanamakam Kuryan Mayuram parshvabhyam Mayura parshvanamakam. Now we'll be moving to Bhairanganathasana. Walk or jump into plank. Bring one leg over shoulder, foot between hands and gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize God Bhairanganatha in your third eye. Bhairanganathasana. Asana Kauguna Piti Jai. We'll be repeating the Bhairanganathasana on the other side. Asana Kauguna Piti Jai. Now we'll be moving to Unmukha Pitasana. From plank, press forearms down, hips up high, on tips of your toes. Gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Japa Sadashivoham Unmukha Pitasana. Bhunyastu Jayuni Hastu Chatushpadana Vanmukam Uttapi Dhangri Yugala Katistalana Bhiruka. Now we'll be moving to Vashishtasana. Here the weights are optional. From plank, plant one hand and weight onto the other side. Keep hand underneath shoulder, hip raised up and raise opposite hand straight up, gaze through palm. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Sage Vashishta in your third eye. Vashishtasana. Urdhva Kukutavaशिष्ट Marichihalamत्स्यकं Parivrittim Chodarasya Vivitam Dhanurasanam. We'll be repeating on the other side. Vashishtasana. Urdhva Kukutavaशिष्ट Marichihalamत्स्यकं Parivrittim Chodarasya Vivitam Dhanurasanam. Now we'll be moving to the Anjani Asana. From plank, jump forward, stretch leg straight, toes pointed up, head, neck, spine straight line, elbows next to your body, sit on upturned palms and gaze at nasal. Engage yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize God Hanuman in your third eye and Japa Mahasadashivoham Anjani Asana. Dovu kariki ubhe hateli kora varili mele beli so agamni bhuparidage mahamani amguli milirase. The next will be moving to Paschimottanasana. Inhale, arms up, exhale, chest forward and down, flat back and reach for the feet and hold big toes with index and middle finger. Engage yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and be in Prana Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Paschimottanasana. Janu parilalatam tu paschimam tanamuchyate yena kena prakarena sukham dharyam cha jayate. The next will be moving to Ugrasana. Inhale up and slightly separate feet apart. Interlace fingers behind the head. Exhale, leaning chest forward and head towards knees. And engage yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize Goddess Kali in your third eye. Ugrasana. Svapanibhyam dridam dritva janu parisironyaset asano gramitam proktam bhavetanila deepanam dehavasana haranam paschimottasana samyakam ya etat asanam shreshtam pratyaham sadayet sudihi. Now we'll be moving to Marichi Asana. Bend one knee, bring heel towards perineum and knee to the chest. Respective arm reaches in and around raised knee. Hold and behind back. Engage yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Sage Marichi in your third eye. Japa Mahasadashivoham Marichi Asana. Uttana padam kraum chamcha maricham veerabhadrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashta prasarane. Now is Mahamudrasana. Lower knees to floor. Inhale, arms up and exhale, chest forward and hold toes. Engage yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Mahamudra is the mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Mahamudrasana. Mahamudra bhatta kono tadasana vibhedakan vinotanam sata kuryat antarvatni pati priyam. We'll be repeating the Marichi Asana on the other side. Marichi Asana. Uttana padam kraum chamcha maricham veerabhadrakam natarajam trikonam cha suptangashta prasarane. The next is Mahamudrasana on the other side. Mahamudra bhatta kono tadasana vibhedakan vinotanam sata kuryat antarvatni pati priya. The next will be moving to Bhadrasana 2. Soles together, heels at the perineum, hand holding the feet by their sides. Remain motionless and gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Lord Kala Bhairava in your third eye and Japa Mahasadashivoham. Bhadrasana 2. गुल्पौतो वृषन्यादः सीवन्यो पार्श्वयोषिपेत् पादपार्श्वे तु पाणिभ्यां त्रिदं बत्वा सुनिश्चलं भद्रासनं भवेदेतत् सर्वव्याधिपिशापहम्. The next is Dvalipavasana. Extended feet slightly, toes together, heels apart and hands on the knee. Gaze at your nose. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and engage yourself in Jalantara Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra, Dvalipavasana. पूरवचरपतक कहोई सोई वाही विधियो की जी सोई यामेंगेडी भीमन जुरासे अंगुला तो अंतरो रासे. The next will be moving to Joni Asana. Pull the heels together one hand, distance away from the groin. Inhale, hold soles of the feet with all 10 fingers. Exhaling, elbows on the ground near the chin. Lean the whole body forward. Gaze at your nose. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Yoni Mandala in your third eye. दोवू पगतल्ली संपूट करे येडी मेद के दिंग दरे अर्थहात को अंतरो रासे लिलाटे पगतल्यम उपरे दासे. The next will be moving to Midaki Pavasana. Inhale up, heels together, toes apart, forehead on ground, near heels, arms to the side over knees, palms on floor, gaze fixed at your nose. Engage yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Japa Mahasadashivoham Midaki Pavasanam. पूर्व विधि परि पगतल्ली संपूटे सोला येडी मिले रासे येड्यासु माहिली कहूनी अगुल्लतो अडवारे लिलाटे धरती लगावे हाथ दो गोड़ा ऊपरे लगावे अडवारी चे परे पसारे. Now we'll be moving to Siddha Samadhi Asana. Inhale up, slightly separate the feet about 8 fingers apart. Feel apart from the heels. Exhale, arms between the thigh and the shin. Palms up, nose on ground. Toes touch the throat. Gaze at your nose. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Paramashiva in your third eye. And Japa Mahasadashivoham Siddha Samadhi Asana. दोवू पगतल्ली संपूट करे सोला आगा में दरे अंगुला तो अंतरो रासे येडी को ऐसे विदे धासे. Now we'll be moving to Chinnaki Pavasana. Inhale up and heels together, toes apart, feet open like a book, keeping back of the fingers and hand on ground. Elbows on knees and gaze at your nose. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Chinnaki Pavasana. दोवू पगा की येडी धरती लगावे मेड्या लगावे पगतल्ली माहिली कोर अगुल साधये सुदिहि. The next will be moving to Charapata Chokasana. Sit up straight and soles together, hands on knees, press down, gaze between your eyebrows. Engage yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Charapata Chokasana. दोवू पगतल्ली संपूट दरे आगामने करे जोरे पसारे घोड़ा बूसो लगाते रासे हाथ दो गोड़ा परिदासे. The next is Bhairavasana. Lift heels off ground and toes down, knees wide on ground with hands by their side. Engage yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Bindu Mudra. Visualize Lord Kala Bhairava in your third eye. Bhairavasana. गुल्पो सम्पीठचानुन्यं व्युक्त्रमेनं यितं शनैः जानोर्पार्श्वगता हस्तो दण्डवद्भैरवासनम्. The next will be moving to Samanasana. Place one of the heel of one foot at the perineum and hold the other foot to the chest. Gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Samanasana. समानासनमावक्ष्ये सिद्धमन्त्रादिसाधनात् एकपादं मुरोधत्वा गुह्योऽन्यलिङ्गवत्करे एतत् वीरासनं नाथ समानासनसंज्ञकम् इत्याकृत्य जपेन्मन्त्रं धृत्वा वायुं च धुर्तले. The next will be moving to Apanasana. Bring one knee over shoulder, hands on floor, extend other leg and gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Apanasana. केवलं पादमेकञ्च स्कन्धे चारोप्य यत्नतः एकपादेन गहने तिष्ठे दण्डवत् प्रभो अपानासनमे धत्ति सर्वेषां पूरकाश्रयम्. Now we'll be repeating the Samanasana on the other side. समानासनमावक्ष्ये सिद्धमन्त्रादिसाधनात् एकपादं मुरोधत्वा गुह्योऽन्यलिङ्गवत्करे एतत् वीरासनं नाथ समानासनसंज्ञकम् इत्याकृत्य जपेन्मन्त्रं धृत्वा वायुं च धुर्तले. We'll be repeating the Apanasana on the other side. केवलं पादमेकञ्च स्कन्धे चारोप्य यत्नतः एकपादेन गहने तिष्ठे दण्डवत् प्रभो अपानासनमे धत्ति सर्वेषां पूरकाश्रयम्. Now we'll be moving to Gomukasana. Stack knees and heels by hips, both sitting bones on mat, fingers interlaced on knees. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Parashu Mudra. Visualize cow's face in your third eye. And Japa Mahanityanandoham Gomukasana. Savya Dakshina Gulpam tu Prishtaparshve Niyojayet Dakshine Tata Savyam Gomukam Yata. We'll be moving to Anusyasana. Remaining in the same position, change hand to the hold big toes with index and middle finger. Gaze at the tip of your nose. Engage yourself in Udhyana Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Goddess Anusya in your third eye and Japa Mahanityanandoham Anusyasana. दक्षिण घोड़ा नीचो दाने वावोम दाके ऊपरे आने घोड़ा संधि मिले भरे अडवारे पुनि संधि पसारे. New pranayama, Shitari pranayama. Press tongue to the root of front teeth. Inhale hissing the breathe through the teeth. Exhale through the nose. Now we'll be moving to Anusyasana 2. Interlace finger behind the back. Exhale chest down, chin over knee and nose to the ground. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Pranayama, Sitari Pranayama, and Mudra is Parashu Mudra. Visualize Goddess Anusya in your third eye. Anusyasana 2. जीमान गोड की संधि उपरिदावे गोड की संधि मिले रासे. Now we'll be moving to Garudasana. Inhale up and top knee to the chest, heels onto the other foot, hands on respective knees, spine straight and gaze at your nose. And engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Garuda, eagle in your third eye. Japa Mahanityanandoham. Garudasana 2. दावो पगा मोड़ी गेड़ी महल्याम गुल्पब मूलत्वार नीचे दे बैसे पगतल्या माहिली कोर दावे गोड़ा पिड़ी रासे. Now we'll be moving to Naradasana. Keeping one knee and leg flat on the floor, raise your seat up and place perineum above its heel. Keep opposite knee raised with a foot placed on top of the sole of your other foot. Interlace finger behind your neck and bring your elbow together outside of the raised knee and gaze at your third eye. Visualize Sage Narada in your third eye and engage yourself in Moola Bandha Parashu Mudra and Japa Mahanityanandoham Naradasana. पिष्टि जो वाम पगतल्ली केरी भूपरिता के लगावे परे घोड़ा सुधावु पनो है जोई दचिपसा तेरा से सोई. The next is Matsya Pitakasana. Bring your lower feet and place it on the right thigh of the raised knee. Wrap arm around legs, holding opposite chin and extend hand around and down towards feet, holding the big toe with index and middle finger. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Matsya, a fish avatar of the Lord Vishnu, in your third eye. Japa Mahanityanandoham. Matsya Pitakasana. वामेन वामागुष्टं तु गृहीतं मत्स्यपीठकं योनि वामेन सम्पीड्य मेढ्रादुपरि दक्षिणं. Now we'll be going back to Gomukhasana on the other side. सव्य दक्षिणगुल्पं तु पृष्ठपार्श्वे नियोजयेत् दक्षिणेऽपि तथा सव्यं गोमुखं यथा. Next is Anusyasana on the other side. Dachina koda nicho tane vavom take upare ane goda sandhi mile bhare adavare sandhi pasare. The next is Anusyasana 2. जीमान गोड़ की संधि उपरि दावे गोड़ की संधि मिले रासे गोड्या सूले पगतल्या लावो अडवारे संधि परे पसारे. The next is Garudasana. दावो पगा मोड़ी गेड़ी बहल्याम गुल्प मूलत्वार नीचे दे बैसे. The next is Naradasana on the other side. पिष्टिचो वाम पगतल्ले केरी भूपरिता के लगावे परे गोड़ा सुदावु पनाहे जोई दचिपसा तेरा से सोई. The next is Matsya Pitakasana on the other side. वामेन वामागुष्टं तु गृहीतं मत्स्यपीठकं योनि वामेन सम्पीड्य मेढ्रादुपरि दक्षिणं. Now we'll be moving to Matsyendrasana. Keeping one foot on opposite thigh, put the elbow onto the thigh of opposite raised knee and its palm holding the face. Twist outside raised knee, keeping the other hand on floor behind. Gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Matsyendrasana. उदरं पश्चिमाभासं कृत्वा तिष्ठति यत्नतः नाम्रागं वामपादं हि दक्षिणजानुपरिन्यसेत् तत्र यां यां कूर्परां च यां करे च वत्करं भ्रुवो मध्ये गतं दृष्टिं पीठं मत्स्येन्द्रमुच्यते. The next we'll be moving to Kubhasana. From Matsyendrasana, release the hand from the face, reaching for the toes and raise the back, hand bringing the thumb to the ears. Gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize a camel in your third eye. Kubhasana. Asana Kauguna Jolo Jaye. Next we'll be moving to Matsyendrasana 2. From Kubhasana, bring your front hand to the hole, the front chin release, back and hand onto the ground behind you. Twist to lock behind and bring gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Mula Bandham and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Matsya, fish avatar of Lord Vishnu in your third eye. Japa Mahanityanandoham. Matsyendrasana 2. मत्स्येन्द्रपीठं जडरप्रदीप्तिं प्रचण्डरुक्मण्डलखण्डनास्त्रम् अभ्यासदकुण्डलिनी प्रबोधं दण्डस्थिरत्वं निददाति पुंसात्. Now we'll be repeating the Matsyendrasana on the other side. उदरं पश्चिमाभासं कृत्वा तिष्ठति यत्नतः नाम्रागं वामपादं हि दक्षिणजानुपरिन्यसेत् तत्र यां कूर्परां च यां करे च वत्करं भ्रुवो मध्ये गतं दृष्टिं पीठं मत्स्येन्द्रमुच्यते. Now we'll be moving to Kubhasana on the other side. आसन कौगुना जोलो जाये. The next is Matsyendra Asana 2 on the other side. Matsyendra Peetam Jadara Pradiptim Prachanda Rukmandala Khandanastram Abhyasada Kundalini Prabodham Dhandastiratvam Nidadadi Pumsat. Now we'll be moving to Padmasana. Bring feet onto opposite thigh. Rest hand on respective knee and bring gaze to your nose. Engage yourself in Mahamudra Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Goddess Lakshmi in your third eye. Padmasana. Asanam divitam proktam padmam vajrasanam tata urdvaro parichedhatte ubhe padatale gitaha padmasanam bhavete tat sarva papa pranashanam. Now we'll be moving to Padmasana 2. Remaining in Padmasana, cross arms and hold opposite toes with index and middle finger. Press the tongue against the teeth, inhaling through the mouth and exhaling through your nose while gazing at the tip of your nose. Engage yourself in Mula Bandha and Prana Mudra. Visualize Goddess Lakshmi in your third eye. Padmasana 2. Uttano charano kritva urva samstapya prayattanah ruvo madhye tato tano pani kritva tu tadrisho nasa kriyavan vinyase drishtam dandam moolam cha jihvaya uttolya chubham vakshe uttapya pavanam shanaihi. Next, we'll be moving to Kukutasana. Remaining in Padmasana, insert arm through legs and palms spread on ground. Lean forward and lift body off the ground. Gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize rooster in your third eye. Japa Om Nityanandoham. Kukutasana. Padmasanam susamstapya januruvantare karo niveksha bhumo vashishte kukutasana. The next will be moving to Bhaddakeki Asana. Remain in Padmasana. Rise up onto your knee and palms on the floor. Fingers face elbows into abdomen. Lean your body onto elbows. Lift knees and head up and gaze at your third eye. Engage yourself in Mula Bandha. Visualize a peacock in your third eye and Mudra Shambhavi Mudra. Bhaddakeki Asana. Uchchasano dhandavaduttaihi mayurameda pravadanti pitam mayuram padmakam kuryat bhaddakekedi kadayet. The next is Mayurasana. From Bhaddakeki Asana, extended leg behind, floating feet upward, gaze at your third eye. Visualize peacock in your third eye and engage yourself in Mula Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Mayurasana. Atavakshe Mahadeva Mayurasanamuttamam Bhumo Nipatya Hasto Kurparo Paridehakam Kurparo Parisamstapya Sarvadeham Stitam Nitaha. The next is Makarasana. Lay on floor, forehead on ground, interlace finger behind. Open legs and toes to side. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha. Visualize crocodile in your third eye. Japa Om Mahasadashivoham Makarasanam. Adhyasa chete hridayam nidaya bhumo cha pato cha prasaryamano sirsha dhritva karadanda yukme dehaknikaram nakarasanam tat. The next is Salabhasana. Hands on ground, under shoulder, keep legs together and raise thigh and feet off floor. Visualize locust in your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Salabhasanam. Adhyasa chete karayukma vaksho bhumin vastapya karayostalabhyam padoscha sunyoscha vitaschi chortvam vadanti petam salabham munindra. The next is Ustrasana. Holding onto your feet, press heels to your buttocks while contracting abs and mouth. Visualize camel in your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra, Ustrasana. Adhyasa chete padayukma vastam prishte nidhapya dhritam karabhyam akunchayet samayukma vashtam ustrachana pitam yogino vadanti. The next will be moving to Dhanurasana. Hand holds respective feet. Raise chest and thigh, bending the body like a bow as you balance on your lower belly. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a bow in your third eye. Om and Japa Om Mahasadashivoham. Dhanurasana. Prasarya pado bhuvidanda rupo karocha prishte dhridapada yukmam. The next is Gohi Bhagasana. Raise yourself up and keep heels outside of hip and sit on knees with toes beneath groin while resting palms on respective knees, gazing at your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Bhagasana. Do hata ki kahuni zoyi punna kalaye jane soyi. Now we'll be moving to Gohi Asana. Hold opposite elbow on ground, interlace fingers, crown of head on ground. Hands support head, walk feet in press hip up and align hip over shoulder. Lift feet up and calves and thigh together and heels on buttocks, bringing knees to the tip of the chin and gaze at your nose. Gohi Asana. Dovu hata ki kahuni soyi punna kalaye jane soyi. The next we'll be moving to Shirasasana. From Gohi Asana, maintain base and core, extending feet up straight, keeping gaze at the tip of your nose. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Engage yourself in Moola Bandha and Parashu Mudra, Shirasasana. Viparidam mandalam cha dvititai vititam nitaha dandasanam dvidita proktam viparidopavekshane. Now we'll be moving to Shivasana. Stretch out legs and arms, palms facing upward. Forcibly draw up the Kundalini for a few seconds in Shakti Chalana Mudra. Then completely relax the whole body, making it motionless like a dead body. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye and Japa Om Paramashivoham.
Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes.
Nityananda
Stretch arms and legs out. Stretch side to side. And drag yourself up in a comfortable seated position. Head, neck, spine in a straight line. Hands in the Namaskara Mudra. We will close the session with the chanting of the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudakshate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Hari Om Tatsat. Sarvam Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Thank you, Nityanandam.